72-year grandma, monthly $50,000 income. I believe is.
You'd never guess what this sweet 72-year-old grandma does for a living, but it earns her over $15,000 a month. No, it's not baking cookies. No, it's not babysitting. What she's doing might shock you, and it's 100% legal. Meet Linda. By day, she's your average retiree. But by night, she's making thousands with a side hustle that most people wouldn't dare try. After retiring from teaching, Linda realized her pension wasn't enough. Bills were piling up. That's when she discovered something online, a niche side hustle with almost no competition. Linda started a custom cuddle call service. That's right, she gets paid to talk to lonely clients, cuddle-style. It's all virtual, totally safe, and the demand? Insane. For $99 an hour, clients book Linda to chat, offer comfort, and even read bedtime stories. She now has regulars, from truckers on the road to college kids with anxiety. In just 6 months, Linda turned her bedroom into a virtual safe space, making over $15,000 a month with nothing but her laptop and a big heart. She's proof that it's never too late to start something new. In fact, Linda says, I make more now than I did in my best year teaching. So what's stopping you? If a 72-year-old grandma can build a viral hustle from her living room, what's your excuse? Hit that like button if this blew your mind, and subscribe for more real money stories you won't believe.